Hello, everyone. I'm James. Welcome back to Easy English for You. What if the thing you love most about someone becomes the thing that hurts you most?
I think that is happening to me right now.
Then tell me your story.
I am 27 years old. I work for a small clothing company. I sell clothes. 2 years ago, I went to a hair salon near my office. That is where I met her. She owns the salon. She is 39. At first, she was just my hairstylist. Then we started talking. Then we started having coffee. Then we started dating. Now I want to marry her. But everyone around me says I'm making a mistake.
Why?
My parents say she is too old. My friends say I will regret it. My coworkers say I should find someone younger. Sometimes I feel like nobody understands.
Do you understand?
What do you mean?
Do you understand your own heart?
Of course I do. I love her.
Then why are you here?
I'm not sure, because things are getting difficult.
Tell me more.
When we first met, I admired her. She was strong. She built her business by herself. She knows how to take care of herself. I thought that was beautiful.
And now?
Now it bothers me a lot.
Why?
Because she always has advice. She always has a plan. She always thinks about the future. Sometimes it feels like she is teaching me. I want a girlfriend, not a teacher.
Give me an example.
Last month, I bought a new watch. I liked it. I worked hard for it. I wanted to enjoy it. But she looked at it and asked one question. She asked how many hours I worked to buy it. Then she asked if I really needed it. Then she asked if that money could be saved for our future. I felt like a child. I felt judged. I got angry.
Did she tell you not to buy it?
No.
Did she force you to return it?
No.
Then what hurt you?
The way she talks. The way she looks at things. It always feels like a test at school.
Did she change?
No.
Then what changed?
That is a good question. I honestly do not know.
Let me ask another question. Why did you fall in love with her?
I already told you. Because she was strong. Because she knew what she wanted. Because she had her life together.
Good. And now those same things bother you.
That is different.
Is it?
Yes. Love should feel warm. Love should feel easy. Love should not feel heavy.
Ah, there's your problem.
What problem?
You think love should always feel good.
Shouldn't it?
No. Love feels good, but love also asks something from you.
Like what?
Growth.
I do not like that answer.
I know.
Because it sounds like she is right and I'm wrong.
I did not say that. I'm saying you only see half the picture.
Then show me the other half.
If she suddenly became careless with money, would you like that?
No.
If she stopped planning for the future, would you like that?
No.
If she stopped taking care of herself and asked everyone for help, would you like that?
No.
Then be careful. You are asking for a different woman.
No, I'm not.
Then tell me, which part do you want to keep? Her strength. And which part do you want to remove? The pressure. They come from the same place. I'm listening. You love the tree, but you don't want its roots.
I don't understand.
Her strength comes from planning. Her wisdom comes from experience. Her care comes from responsibility. Remove those things, and you remove the woman you fell in love with.
But she doesn't have to use those things on me.
Why not?
Because I'm her boyfriend, not her employee.
Ah, there it is. You want her strength, but only when it helps you, not when it's hard for you.
Maybe, but it still feels unfair.
You cannot cut a tree in half and keep it alive.
I never thought about it that way.
There's still something else.
What is it?
Sometimes, do you wish she were younger?
Sometimes, yes.
Why?
Then people would stop talking. My parents would stop worrying.
My friends would stop judging me.
Everything would be easier.
Would it?
Yes, I think so.
No.
Why not?
Imagine she wakes up tomorrow. She is 27. Same face, same personality, same habits, same words, same plans, same questions. Only her age changes. Would all your problems disappear?
Probably not.
Why not?
Because we would still argue. She would still talk about plans. She would still question my decisions.
Exactly. Her age is not the problem.
Then what is?
Fear.
Fear of what?
Let us find out. Imagine everyone disappeared tomorrow. Your parents, your friends, your coworkers. Would your fear disappear too?
No, it would still be there.
Why?
Because I would still wonder, what if they're right?
What if I regret this?
What if I fail? What if I can't make her happy? What if I'm not enough?
There it is, the real fear.
That hurts.
Truth often hurts.
I hate that.
I know.
Because now I can't blame anyone.
Exactly.
Then what should I do? First, stop asking the wrong question. What wrong question?
Is she right for me?
I ask that every day.
I know. Is she right for me? Is she right for me? Is she right for me? But you never ask the other question.
Which question?
Am I ready for her?
That feels very different.
Because it is different. They judge the road. They never ask if they can walk. So let me ask you now.
What am I really afraid of?
Tell me.
I'm afraid of growing up. I'm afraid of responsibility. I'm afraid of becoming the man this relationship needs. That's why I kept making her the problem. It was easier.
Now you're getting closer.
Closer to what?
To yourself.
Then what do I do with this fear?
Let me make it simple. Imagine you buy a knife. Why do you buy it?
Because it is sharp.
Correct. Then one day you touch the blade. Your finger gets cut. You get angry. You say, "Why is this knife so sharp?"
That sounds silly.
Why?
Because that's what makes it a knife.
Exactly. The sharpness helps you. The sharpness can also hurt you, but it's the same sharpness. The woman you love is the same. Her strength comforts you. Her strength can also be hard for you. Her care guides you. Her care can also feel like pressure. It's the same quality, not two different things.
I feel embarrassed.
Why?
Because I kept wanting one half, and I didn't want the other half.
That is where suffering begins. We want the gift, but we don't want the price. Life doesn't work that way. Every strength can also hurt you, and that pain comes from something real.
I think I know where the real battle is now.
Where?
Not between me and her. Inside me.
Good. Then tonight, take a piece of paper. Write down 3 things that bother you about her.
That will be easy.
Then next to each one, write the good thing hidden inside it.
For example,
she worries about money. Maybe that comes from responsibility. She asks difficult questions. Maybe that comes from care. She thinks about the future. Maybe that comes from love.
And what if I can't find the good thing?
Then keep looking, because the flower and the pain come from the same tree.
Maybe love isn't finding someone without a price. Maybe love is choosing which price is worth paying.
Hold on to that. Today's soul sentence is this: I will love the whole person, not only the easy parts, not only the comfortable parts, the whole person. because every gift has a price, and every strength has a weight. In our next video, we will talk about a painful question. Why do some people only value us after we walk away? The answer may surprise you. Before we finish, I have a question for you. What quality did you love in someone at first, but later found difficult to live with? Tell us in the comments. Your story may help someone else today. If this message spoke to your heart, please like and subscribe. Thank you for watching, and remember, keep going and keep growing.